I am Flight Sergeant Andy Fleming. I'm the Military Airworthiness Manager within the P8 Camo here at RAF Lossiemouth. So this project is Project ASURVEY. The principle of it is to bring an automated aircraft inspection drone into service to allow us to scan the entire surface of a P8 in under 30 minutes. The drone is an automatic drone that flies around the outside of the aircraft using a digital map. It takes over 1,300 photos in 25 megapixel clarity and allows you to see over 95% of the external surface of the aircraft in exceptional quality. The humans get tired when they're carrying out inspections on the aircraft, so the principle of this one, it does a standard inspection every time, which is repeatable, doesn't have any subjectivity in it, i.e. what I see to what someone else sees might differ, especially as we go looking over the entire aircraft, which takes a long period of time. It's particularly safety-wise, it removes the functional safety aspect of having to climb up to the high areas of the aircraft using the ladders and mupes and etc. So therefore no one needs to climb up there, and therefore there's no risk to anyone falling out. And once we've got a scan of the aircraft, you can go back and look time and time again at the same photos. It has a LiDAR that detects the aircraft when it flies around the outside of it. Inbuilt into the computer, it has a 3D image of the aircraft, so it knows where it's flying. It's GPS denied and it is siloed, so it doesn't talk to anyone else, so that helps with the security aspect of it. Once we have the images on board the computer for each aircraft, we'll be able to marry up the Denson Buckles chart and the husbandry log onto the aircraft, effectively teaching the aircraft each tail number. After the aircraft has been taught each tail number, it will be able to detect differences between this time and the next scan. Therefore, it should be able to detect damage that's occurred to the aircraft, such as lightning strike, paint peel, rivet rash, things like this on the aircraft, and highlight this to the engineers quicker than having to do a manual inspection. And as I said, it only takes 30 minutes to scan the entire, or 95% of the aircraft's skin.